Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to balance audio in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program if you haven't already, and after opening it up on your PC guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our videos. So guys, you can either go ahead and drag and drop your videos directly from your folders on your PC right here, or go to the file option, go to import, and guys start with adding your media that you want to use. After adding your videos guys, they're going to appear right here. As you can see, here are my videos, and now I can get started with adding them to my timeline as I have done already, so right here, and get started editing them. So guys, as you can see, here are my videos, and now I can go ahead and select the video that I want to adjust the audio for. So first thing first, go ahead and select the video, and after doing so, we can go to this option right here, which is the music option right here, and the audio section of Davinci Resolve right here at the bottom of the screen, so we can access all of our audio options. So guys, as you can see, after opening up this menu, now we can see all the options that we have regarding the audio. So here we can go ahead and manage how much sound we want. We can add decibels, reduce decibels, and so on. You can manage all of your videos right here, their output, input, and so on, and get started with managing the audio so that you can normalize it and make everything sound clearer. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.